Me da was me chia jefu nyina me twi no nye papa enso
Miaweni
me
medase
me assemblyman kasano or pre mwa every all sectors ni electoral area almost all the roads are being cut off. Almost all the roads because in the electoral area no only asphalt and Akota roads, they are all F roads. And those F roads, about 90% are being cut off. Who be something who has been peaceful? We've been experiencing some few flooding. Maybe baku bimu. And so to the level 3 days ago. 2 days ago, no, it's due to natural and then both artificial. And natural is 4 hours of heavy downpour. And in all aspects of life, enough storm drain and drainage system. Artificial because Obemusu the cleanest city of the Republic of Ghana.
Yes.
And Omuyi Omuwesa now Mudi Egu Nsium baby Nsio of Efa. And the Nsio or Efa na Onya Kwaya or no training kwine. And when water is looking for a way to pass, they determine where to go and ended up in our home to be our guest. And yet, as last Saturday, now me offer my minister after burial, train kakra ajima home abajuma mene, and so calls started coming. And I have to rush down that night. That night when I came to town, it was a worrisome situation. And something needs to be done urgently. And then some must be pulled.